Well, hi to YouTube land. It's Uncle Paul coming at you here from the old doghouse, and it's going to be our last broadcast from here on the couch. We're moving into our new apartment tomorrow or the next day, right, May?
Yep.
Okay. So May invited a bunch of her friends over to give kind of like a little farewell to the old dog channel here from the couch. And so one by one, everybody's going to come over and say something and just sort of say hello, and I'll ask them a question or two and they can introduce themselves to you, and then you guys can feel free to leave your comments. So May, who do you want to have come over here first to talk to me?
Okay.
Who's first?
Maria Catherine.
Okay, Maria Catherine, come on down.
Come on, Maria Catherine.
You got to leave. Maria Catherine's going to have to come around.
First, I give her the red.
Oh, look, we already been awarded the Miss
Yes,
Filipina.
excellent.
Wow.
Wow.
So tell everybody your name.
Hi, my name is Maria Catherine
And-
Francisco Gallo.
That's a lot. That's a lot. You need to marry a guy with a short name, okay? And then it'll be a lot easier to sign. So how old are you?
20.
20. And you and I have been friends for a long time, huh?
Yeah.
How long? About a year?
Oh,
At least a year, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what's the most beer you've ever drank at one time?
Huh?
What's the most beer you've ever drank?
Tequila.
Tequila?
Yeah.
And how much did you drink?
One shot.
Huh?
One shot.
Can you remember drinking it? If you can remember, you didn't drink enough.
Just once.
Okay. All right. So are you single or are you married?
Single.
Single. And you're a single mom, right?
Yes.
Now, you're looking for a boyfriend or no?
Yes.
Yeah? So you're actively dating right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of guy do you like? You like foreigner guy? You like a younger guy? You like an older guy? You like a Filipino guy?
Foreign.
Foreign guy?
Yeah.
You like an older guy, younger guy?
Both.
Both. Okay. And so your name again is Maria Catherine.
Yeah.
And if anybody wants to comment me, they can. How's that sound?
It's okay.
All right. Well, thanks for coming for an interview. And thanks for coming. So you get a lollipop. We spare no expense here at the old dog compound. Who's next? Thanks, Maria Catherine. You did great. Who's coming over next?
Abby.
Abby, come on over, Abby.
Oh my god.
This is going to be a disaster.
What?
Oh! There you go. All right, you have the honorary ears, the honorary bunny ears. Tell everybody your name.
Hi, I'm Ella.
You know what? Jesus Christ! Oh my God! I am so sorry for all of you that lost your hearing on that. Okay, wait. Tell everybody your name.
I'm Ella.
Yeah, okay, that's better. And how old are you?
I'm 22.
And you know what I know about you?
I know you
No.
know everything.
Well, not everything.
Okay, tell me.
I know what I know about you is you're May's best friend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and you went to massage school with May.
Yeah, we're doing massage together.
And May lasted one customer and quit.
I can't count how many customers I massage, seriously.
Yeah, but that's a lousy business, huh? Because
What do you mean lousy?
I mean, it doesn't pay good. And you have bad employers.
Yeah.
I remember the stories.
I mean, you can get 30% only. If
30%. And a massage costs how much?
300.
300. So you got, if I came in to get a massage, and we're just talking about a normal massage, no funny business, and they charged me 300 pesos, she got 30% of that, or
Yeah.
roughly less than
I think
100
it's
pesos,
I think,
right?
I think it's 120.
120 pesos is what you got?
I Yeah, for 250, I think we got 70 pesos on.
And then you got 70 pesos. So did you get any other salary with that, or did you
No.
only get paid that?
Only
So,
that.
okay, so you would work how many hours as working the massage?
So I've been studying whole day, then I'll go massage from 7 to 12 p.m.
Uh-huh.
12 a.m. actually.
Uh-huh.
Whole night.
And are you still studying?
Yeah, I'm fresh graduate, so I'm done studying.
You're done studying. Okay. And what was the most exciting thing you did during the COVID virus? Come over here and see me, I imagine.
Right
If you say yes, I'll give you a lollipop.
Oh yeah!
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, get off my couch and bring somebody else over here. Get out of here.
Bye!
Who's next? Filipino time.
Hi. Sorry,
And there you go. You got the magical bunny ears.
Yes, thank
Last
you.
day on the couch. Tell everybody your name.
Hi, I'm Mona.
And how old are you, Mona?
I'm 29 years old.
29. Are you married? Are you single?
Yes, I married one. I have one child.
One child?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a boy or do you have a girl?
It's a boy,
How old is your little boy?
8 years old.
Wow.
Yes.
And so you're married to a Filipino?
Yeah.
And you work as kind of like a helper, right? Is that what you
Yes.
told me? Because this is the first time you and I have met.
Yes.
And there's a place on the boulevard called Bo's Coffee
Yeah.
that I go to a lot.
Yes.
And when I first met you today, I thought you worked at Bo's Coffee, but I was wrong.
No, yeah.
Because there's a big apartment above Bo's Coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
And you said a Spanish gentleman lives there?
Yes.
He's like 80 years old.
Oh.
And so you kind of like a housekeeper and you
Yes.
take care of him, right?
Yeah,
And
I'm
then-
working there like 8 years.
8 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I'm working there like a regular worker. Then I stopped because I get married. Then
Uh-huh.
I plan to get study.
Okay.
Yeah. Then they help me in my financial needs also.
Super.
Yeah.
So the gentleman that's there, he helps you with your studies, your
Yeah.
pay and everything?
Yes.
And
they help
he's
me a lot.
so he's just a kind foreigner. Am I
Yeah,
correct?
Yes.
So there are good guys out here.
Yeah.
In other words, this is if I'm hearing this right, this guy's like in his 80s. He's got this big ass place. It's above Bo's Coffee. I've never been in it, but I've heard about it. And apparently you've worked for him for 8 years.
Yeah.
And your husband, is he working or is it
Yeah.
hard because of the COVID thing?
He's still working right
He's
now.
still working. And what does he do?
Salesman.
Salesman. Okay. And so you and your husband both work, and the Spanish gentleman is also helping you with your furthering your studies.
Yeah.
And what are you studying?
IT.
IT.
Yeah, and I'm also a freshly graduate.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Are you good with
right
computers?
now. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Because I'm really bad with computers. Would you be able to help me with my computer?
Maybe if I have time.
If you have time.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand that.
Yes.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell all my friends out here in YouTube land?
No more?
That's it?
Yeah.
Would you like a lollipop?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks for stopping over
Yeah,
today.
thank you.
Nice to meet you. Who's next here on the big channel? Here's here on the big farewell. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Everybody knows this one.
Oh my god.
The woman that needs no introduction. And you got like marriage proposals last time that we talked. Did you know that?
I don't
There was a
know.
lot of guys, a lot of comments because I interviewed you.
Yeah.
And a lot of guys are very attracted to you. So how does that make you feel?
I'm flattered.
You're flattered. Well, you should be.
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the last day here at the Old Dog apartment, what are your feelings? Are you going to miss the Old Dog apartment, or are you excited because we're going to have a new dog apartment somewhere?
Both mixed emotion.
Yeah.
Because this old apartment, I have memories here because this is the first time I have an interview with you.
Yeah.
And then excited for the new one.
I am too.
Because you will get a new memories for that.
Yeah, I agree. Well, that was very well said. So I'm not going to ask you about the Power Rangers.
No, no,
Okay,
no, no, no.
because I know that's a trick question.
Yeah.
But you don't drink very much, do you?
No, not much.
But you and I had a beer drinking contest the other night.
Yeah.
Who won?
You?
No, it was a tie. It was a
I
tie.
almost,
We each ordered a mug of beer, right?
Yeah.
Over at the Brew Garden. And we said 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
And we both finished at the exact same time.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. So what? Anything else that you want to say to these folks? Because this is our last broadcast from the couch.
I wanna say thanks for the comment, and then hopefully you will be more subscribed to Paul and May's video.
Well, especially Baby May's.
Yes.
Okay, Baby May's Cooking and Adventure.
Yes.
Because I don't really care.
But it's really good though.
But wait, there's more.
Oh, what's more?
You get a lollipop.
Wow, thank you so much.
Who's next?
Next slide.
Uh-oh, here comes my buddy.
There you go.
Here comes my buddy. All right. Purr's going to be very happy to see this. All right,
Yes.
tell everybody out there who doesn't know you your name.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And you and I did an interview, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we chatted. And you're dating my friend,
Yes.
Purr.
Pierre.
And he's helped me with my channel, and I've never met him. And
Yeah.
what country is he in?
Denmark.
Denmark. And he's an IT guy.
Yes, IT boss.
He's the guy that he kept getting mad at me because I kept doing the links wrong. You know,
Yeah.
he didn't get mad, but he would just say, Mayday, Mayday. And because I don't know how to do stuff on the computer. So actually, Purr made all these links up for me. And now I can just copy and paste them onto my videos.
Yeah.
And they're having a long distance relationship, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so anything
This
you want
coming
to...
October 1, you will come here.
Are you sure he's going to be able to get in the country?
Yeah, I hope so.
Uh-huh. So what was the best thing that happened for you during the COVID virus? Was there anything good happen, or were you bored out of your mind?
It's bored.
Bored.
Yeah.
Huh. Are you glad that it's starting to lighten up?
Yeah.
Because right now you can start kind of like getting out of the house
Yeah,
a little bit,
that-
and I know that that you and May sometimes get
Yeah,
together
we're
and you
getting-
go out and play around and
hang
everything.
out.
So you're excited about Purr coming out,
Yeah.
and you guys met online, right?
Yes.
So this is one of those online long distance relationships, and they're actually going to get together. And in fact, Purr, I think, sent us some money one time, and Baby
Yeah.
May got you a cake and all
Yeah,
that kind of
surprise.
stuff. That's right. We had a little party here for you, and so why don't we, since we're at this stage, why don't we have you give Purr a special message, and then we'll move on to the next person. What do you
Yeah.
want to say to Purr right now?
Hi, love. I'm here. I'm here in the house of Paul and May, and this is the last day of the apartment here. And good luck to the both of you.
Now you promised to come see us in the new apartment, right?
Yeah, soon.
All right. Now, because you said you'd come, I'm going to give you a lollipop.
Thank you.
All right. Next case. Told you this would be something else. Who's next?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh my goodness.
Good to be back.
It's great to see you
It's
again.
crazy.
You are like one of the most favorite people that I ever interviewed. This is the nicest lady ever. And she brought us some flowers. She has her own garden. She has a husband that's in Cebu that she misses very much. And why don't you go ahead and remind everybody what your name is?
I'm Marilyn.
And Marilyn.
Yeah.
And you were going to go to school out here.
Yeah.
And you and I did an interview 3 days ago, right?
Yeah.
And we did it over at your house or your auntie's house.
Yeah.
And you had bought a little piece of land, and you and your husband are saving up for,
Yeah.
and you're doing time payments on it.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, your husband is working as a mechanic in Cebu, and you're living out here, and you miss your husband very
You know,
much.
so much.
I know. I feel so bad for you.
It's crazy.
Yeah. So, do you drink very much? Yeah. You do drink?
Drink a lot of water.
No. Do you drink like a lot of beer or vodka or anything like that?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
What's your favorite drink?
Wine.
Wine.
Yeah.
Wine. Now, have you ever drank so much that you don't remember what happened?
No.
No? Well, you know what? Later on, I'm going to tell you about the time May drank so much tequila.
Oh,
I had
I'm
to
so
put
excited.
Oh, it's a great story. May had never had a drink before she met me.
Oh.
And then, May, you want to come over while I tell everybody that story?
Here.
Huh? About the
Me.
tequila and the shower?
Me.
Well, okay, we'll do it later.
Me.
But it was a really funny story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
So, does your husband watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Does he? Well,
Yeah.
maybe you could tell him to watch this channel.
Yeah.
And right now, you can tell your husband, who I know you love so much, who you miss so much.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell him what you're thinking right now?
Hi, my husband. I miss you. I'm badly miss you so much. I'm crazy. I was paralyzed thinking of you. So watch this video and
Yeah.
you know, I'm very, very, I'm dying. I love
Well,
you so much.
You know what?
And this is my buddy.
You're getting 2 lollipops.
Oh, Tango! I got this.
Nothing heals a broken heart more than sugar. All right, my friend. Thank you so much for coming by.
Okay, thank you.
Who's my next victim over here? We're all done? Okay, well, come here, May.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Now, you organized all this.
Yeah,
Now, can I tell them the tequila story?
for
Remember the time you drank all that tequila?
No,
No?
that is the
You sure?
yeah.
You don't want me to tell them that?
No.
No?
No.
I think I'm going to go ahead and tell them. Well, let's not do that. All right, well, I want to thank everybody for watching. This May put all this together. These are all of some of our friends that come over, some of that are near and dear to us. They've graced us with their time on the little channel here. But this is the time that everybody looks forward to. It's when Baby May shamelessly promotes her channel. So Baby May, tell everybody about your channel.
Yes, guys. Good afternoon, and please subscribe my channel, Baby Miss Cooking Adventure, guys. Please subscribe, guys.
Please subscribe. All right, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you from our new apartment next time, okay? So bye-bye.
Bye, guys.